And the young Vasey doing a great job there. Is this your second show now? Is this your second show on the flight line now? Or is this your first? Second. Are you enjoying it? Fantastic. Good to see. He has just passed his B. Of course, I was just talking to him earlier on about that, and it's following in the family footsteps. It's lovely to see. Well done. So we're looking at this young man who's flying at the moment. He's 22 years old. His name is Callum Setter. I don't know if anybody watched or caught up with the recent Battle of Britain program. Yeah, the Battle of Britain program. We'll talk about that in a moment. But this is Callum Setter anyway, from Larkfield to Barton's Point. He's flying the Extreme Flight. This is the laser. This is the 104-inch GP 123cc engine. This thing's the thick end of 2.5 grams worth of aeroplane, flying it inverted, doing all sorts of torque rolls, prop hanging, full 3D, 2 days to build. This is a great 35% Extreme Flight laser. This is Callum Setter, 22 years old, sponsored by Propguy and ProBuild. And I do believe we also have Martin Thompson flying for us as well. And there's John Veazey, Grandad, doing the granddaddy thing, doing a great job running the team with his family. Great family, guys. Lovely to have you here, the TJD team, all the Wings and Wheels. So Callum and Martin doing their thing for us. So we've got Scott flying as well with Callum. And this is Scott Rallison, 23 years old. He flies with the Norwich Ravens model flying club. This one is flying as the Skywing. This is the ARS 300. And this thing, the same, of course, as his friend Callum. He's flying this thing with the GP 123cc engine. And this has distinctive sound and also a little bit more power as well. Took him about 3 weeks to build, and this thing has got Savox servos all around, 35%. It's flying the Spektrum radio, he's flying the DX20 radio, it's got 12-channel receiver. And Scott's been flying about 10 years. He's sponsored by Horizon, Propguy and ProBuild. Loves his smooth flying, he does. But this guy, it's all skill and no gyro, just in case you wonder. So Scott flies for the Norwich Ravens flying club, and again, just a reminder, he's flying the Skywing. This is the ARS 300. Cannon is still in the air with the Extreme Flight laser. 8 servos in this thing you see right now, just about to come into land for the Extreme Flight laser. And that's Callum Setter, 22 years old. Go have a round of applause for these two young guys, because they go.